take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. The companies include the CEO's letter to shareholders and its annual report, which is very typical, alongside the audited financial statement. This information is considered what? Is it supplementary information? Is it other information? Is it required supplementary information, RSI? Or is it part of the annual audited financial statement? Now, basically what you need to know is what's supplementary, what's other information, what's RSI. But here's what, let's go through them step by step. Is it supplementary information? Supplementary information, usually it's numerical. Different schedules, usually supplementary information. This is the letter. Therefore, we can kind of take out A. Is it B? Other information with letter to shareholder as other? Yes. Narrative items like the CEO letter, marketing material, any non-GAAP figures, but they have to be clearly non-GAAP. This is other information. So between A and B, I'm going to keep B. C, required supplementary information. That's something you need to be aware of. MD&A, pension schedule, those might be required supplementary information, but not the CEO letter to the shareholders. It's part of the audited financial statements? No, it's not part of the audited financial statements. The financial statements are the balance sheet, the income statement, the accompanying notes, the statements of cash flow. It's not part of the audit financial statement. Now, what you can do on Farhat Lectures, before you answer this question, you can ask AI to explain the topic. And it will explain to you, for example, the CEO letter. It will tell you what's supplementary information, what's other information. And if you don't like the answer choices, the way they are presented, you can ask AI to explain it in a different way. And if you like the question, you could ask AI to ask you another question about these topics, supplementary information versus other information. What should you do? Invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, multiple choice, podcast lessons, AI tools, AI resources to help you in your audit class, as well as CPA exam preparation. The best investment is investing in yourself. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.